Welcome to this fourth in the series of 4 talks on why strategy fails to get executed and what we can do about it. We have already looked into 3 of the 4 diseases that affect strategies: strategic obesity, the performance review fallacy, and static status quo. We have seen how these can be addressed with the cures of lean true north, performance steering, and adaptive pulse. Today, we will investigate the 4th disease, judgmentalism. Judgmentalism is the condition where there is a lack of collaborative ownership of execution between leaders and team members. It is when team members are left alone to figure out how and when to execute improvement and actions. They are considered to be having self-directed motivation, and when progress does not happen, they almost always are blamed for inaction or ineffective action. On the other side of the coin, team members always blame leaders as being non-supportive and being over-demanding for results which are unreasonable. This situation is what we call as being judgmental of each other. If progress is to be seen, ownership has to be collective, and it must be seen in action. This is where the leaders partner with the team members and empower them towards success. We call this as empowered partnership. I have seen great companies who are very successful achieve this empowered partnership through a culture of coaching and support. In Lean, we call this as the coaching kata. Coaching kata is a non-negotiable and ongoing practice where each leader, either individually or as a leadership team, spends time officially and regularly to coach and mentor action teams to motivate them, urge them into action, and offer necessary support as needed. The coaching and mentoring has a formal framework to be adhered to. This is not to be confused to a one-to-one performance coaching. Rather, it's a coaching and mentoring of teams who are carrying out the strategic actions and improvements. Coaching kata is carried out in a non-threatening but supporting spirit, usually at the gemba or place of action rather than at the boardroom. This calls for a new breed of leaders who take responsibility and go hands-on together with team members, owning progress, while each playing their distinct roles. The cure then for judgmentalism is empowered partnership. Practicing the 4 success habits of lean true north, performance steering, adaptive pulse, and empowered partnership brings power and propels teams into action and progress towards achieving their strategic goals and directions. These are the practices of great companies achieving great strides in growth and success. I wish you all the best in your strategic journey.